Abhiram. I came to the US in 2023 as a master's student. I did my master's in engineering management from Johns Hopkins. I recently graduated in 2025 and I'm currently working as a growth analyst here in the US. Bridge360 played a really big part in my journey from India to the US, whether it was deciding which schools to apply to, preparing my application materials, navigating the entire visa interview, and all those things associated with it, funding my master's education, etc. So, I owe a big thank you to Bridge360 for helping me navigate that entire journey very smoothly. One of the biggest concerns I had during this entire process was how would I fund my education in the US, because most banks or funding agencies in India provide collateral loans, they do not provide non-collateral loans. So that is when Bridge 360 recommended Empower Financing to me. Empower is a funding agency present in the US and they provide non-collateral student loans to people coming here to do their higher education. So when I got to know about Empower, I quickly went to their website and applied for a non-collateral loan. All the steps in the application process are really simple and it is also described in detail on their website. So it was really easy for me to apply. And there are also not a lot of documents that were required. So all of this process was very smooth. And in case I had any questions regarding the process, they had a support team which was available 24/7 over phone. So they cleared all my doubts and hence the entire process was very seamless. Once I submitted my application, the team from Empower took a couple of days and they reviewed my application and finally approved it. So the timeline was really quick. So once the application was approved, they sent me an initial agreement document where they listed all the terms and conditions, including rate of interest, repayment period, etc. Once I went through the entire document and confirmed that everything was good, I signed that document, sent it back to them, and that is when they sent me the final terms and conditions document. So once I received this document, the funds were transferred directly to my school. So there was no middleman, or I was not involved in any of those transactions. The funds were directly transferred from Empower to my school every semester, depending on how much fund was required. So yeah, that entire process was very smooth. I did not have to interfere in any of that. And the repayment started once my classes began. So during the time I was a student, I was only supposed to pay the interest, not the principal. And hence I had to pay an amount on a monthly basis, which was the interest of the loan. I started paying the principal amount 6 months after graduation. So until then, I did not have to pay any principal amount. So yeah, that was an advantage that I did not have to pay any principal when I was in school. It was just the interest payments. Empower is just one of many funding agencies present in the US. There are other similar ones like Prodigy, Stilt, Leap Financing, etc. So it's always helpful to like go through various organizations and see their various terms and conditions and decide which one is a good fit for you. But yeah, because I was able to take Empower loan, I was able to fund my education, and also because Bridge 360 was there to navigate me throughout the entire process, I did not have to worry a lot about the various uncertainties that are part in the process.